Hello, Pumpkin. Are you ready to be friends? Come on over here, Pumpkin. Pumpkin is doing well. Pumpkin is housemates with Harley, but they're not getting along for boarding right now. And this is Pumpkin's first time. And he could really do without me. He's happy to look out the window, but he really doesn't want me to touch him or be in his space. Hey, Pumpkin. He's eating well. He's boarding normally. Hi. You want to come over here? Come over here, Pumpkin. Who's the best boy? Can I get a little closer? Hi. You a nice boy? Yes. He's having his medication on time and he's doing well, so you don't need to worry about Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin. Hello. Friend? You're so pretty. Can I get a little closer? Hi. Hello, my friend. Say hi to Mother.